I'm Steve Dooley, and in this very short video I'm going to show you how to make close-fitting box joints with the work held flat on the CNC. If you clicked on this video, you will no doubt already understand the problem. Here I am milling box joints using a 1/8 inch compression bit. Obviously the cutter leaves rounded corners at the bottom of the socket. Basically, you can't make a square hole with a round bit, so the bottom of the socket is radiused and the joint won't close properly. You can see here how the joint won't close up. Solutions offered are to either overcut the joint like this, or alternatively make a dog bone at the corners. Both of these leave holes through the material and are not satisfactory. I changed the focus from the socket to the pin. If the edges of the pin were radiused to the same radius as the cutter used to make the socket, then the joint would fit snugly. We are never going to radius such a tiny area, but we can approximate by putting a bevel on the corner of the pin with a small 90-degree V-bit. I find that about a 1mm depth of cut is sufficient, but you need to experiment to see what works for you. Remember to stop the bevel cut about 1 mm from the base of the socket to avoid an overcut. Remember also that the bevel is on the inside face of the box. This has implications for toolpaths and work holding, and you have to think about it. You can't just flip the work end to end in a jig. Here's the CNC putting the bevels on the pins. This is what the final result looks like, and you can see here that it fits nice and tightly with no gaps at the bottom. This is what the final product looks like. I hope you enjoyed this video and you got something from it. If you know a better way of cutting box joints on the CNC, please leave a comment. Thanks for watching.